Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. So from today onwards, we are going to extend our content, and we are approaching subscribers to various channels. So we are providing digital content via magazines and physical content. Anyway, every day we are going through YouTube channels, and also we are starting blogs, and also we are starting with webinars. So every Wednesday evening 6:30 to 7:30 we are starting with webinars to provide more information about Tradabulls. So this is our first weekly magazine. So here our technical team providing all the details what happened during Monday to Friday and weekend reports also. So first magazine, almost all 30 pages magazine created with all the information what happened on the last week. And this is our home page, landing page. So new ones can sign up with the minimal requirement, personal IDs, phone numbers and all. After that, once you successfully enter all the details, subscribers may get the email for verification. So once you click in the link on your inbox, so automatically you can come up over here and enter your details, username and password. So coming to today's analysis, so this is our new functionality. So providing all the major indices with single glance via gauge charts. So gauge charts are speedometers, are more informative than candles. So if we observe the first horizontal line, the first topmost ones are indicating about Nifty on different time frames. So daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. So here there are three parts of that chart. So indicating green, yellow and red colors. So equally divided with 33.33%. So we have 26 observations as of now. While going forward, we may increase, we may add up some more observations. So based on the observations, here the percentage comes. So today's Nifty, based on closing, it is showing that 54.54%. So 54.54% is indicating somewhere neutral zone. So that neutral zone significance is hold your positions, stay away from the markets. You are not supposed to take any shorts or longs. And once it enters into green area, then only the confirmation will comes. And any chance if it goes towards red area, that is selling side. So here, apart from that gauge chart, we are providing one candle also. So the candles OHLC data, open, high, low and close data. And above that L value, lower value, so there is one value in terms of percentage, that is called CR percentage, current range percentage. So current range means today's low to today's closing, how much was depreciated. If we treat that today's low and high was 100%, so how much was the appreciated from low to closing point, and from above that high value, there is one more percentage that we will call it as PR percentage, previous range percentage. So previous range means, suppose if it is today's intraday, means what was the range of yesterday's or previous day's candle, and based on that one, how much percentage was traded. So the 36.76% was indicating based on the Friday's range. So green color and red color significance is, if it is above that 40% or 38.2%, that indicates green color, and if it is less than 38.6%, that indicates red color. So here same way we have weekly and monthly also. So as per weekly data and today's data, it is indicating hold. Hold means stay away from the markets, and Banknifty, it is indicating strong buy. So for both daily as well as weekly. So today, even the observations also, as part of the intraday, 19 out of 22 positive observations closed, and as per weekly's data 13 out of 22 observations closed, and none of the negative observations passed. And one more thing, left hand side whatever red color is indicating, that is negative observations, and right hand side, that is green color indicates that positive side observations. And IT is showing strong sell. So yesterday's data and last week's data, based on that one, here both intraday as well as weekly data are indicating strong sell, and Nifty is indicating strong buy. Next 50 is indicating neutral zone, and mid cap select is indicating strong sell. So here whatever observations are at higher levels, all are indicating at strong buy for Nifty, and quarterly and month half yearly are indicating neutral for Banknifty, and long term, that is yearly, it is very much strong, and IT is indicating very strong. Nifty is also indicating strong buy, and next 50 is also indicating strong buy. Mid cap also is indicating strong buy. So coming to our regular data points analysis. So even Friday's analysis also we mentioned that Nifty may take support at this level. Why? Because technically we have 24,743 is one important support, which is 61.8% of last month's range. So last month's range is last month high was 25,268, and today's low was 24,750 level. So 24,753 was the today's low, and our monthly's range, 61.8% is indicating 24,743 level. So somewhere 24,750 was the clear support for Nifty, and when it breaks and closes below, then only we may expect somewhat downward momentum. Otherwise, either neutral or upward momentum will continue. But as per weekly's data, we have 25,005 is one important level that indicates 38.2% level. So this is also one very much important level. So now Nifty either clears this level or from for upside, or breakout downside from 24,743. So 25,005 or 24,750 or 743 are the two important levels. Either side breakout we may expect, and then only the momentum will continue. So 25,005 and 24,743. And coming to weekly support and resistance levels, so 24,666 or 666 and 657 is indicating good support for weekly data, and 25,190 to 25,324 is the big resistance for the weekly's data on Nifty. Coming to Banknifty, so Banknifty last week it was closed below 51,000 mark, and before week it was sustained above 51,000. Again today it was clearly closed above 51,100 mark. So coming to major important data points, so today's close is above that 61.8% levels. So 51,028 is indicating 61.8% of the last month's range. So it was closed above that level. So we may expect 78.6% level as well as 100% levels of last month's range. So coming to weekly's data, so 51,252 is indicating 61.8%. So tomorrow if it closes above that level at least for an hour or half an hour, so we may expect some positivity in Banknifty too. And as per support and resistance points, so 51,400 to 51,700 are the big resistance points for Banknifty for this week, and 50,120 is good support. So today's low also it didn't go up to that level, so current low is indicating 50,369. So anyhow, banks, it's good news. So it's closed above 51,000 mark. Coming to IT, so IT last, the previous session, that is Friday, it was lost about 1%, and today also it's more than 0.73% lost. So coming to main Fibonacci retracement and extension values, so 41,825 is indicating good support, which is at 78.6% of last month's range. So today's close above that level. So here IT may get good support. So, and once again it may retest 43,000 levels. So coming to weekly and monthly supports and resistance points, 43,000 is the major resistance for IT, and 41,735 is the major support. So today's low also is indicating somewhere 41,800. So 41,735 is indicating a good support for this week. And coming to weekly data, 44,300 is going to act as bigger resistance, and 39,440 is going to act as big support. So as per sentiment analysis, so today Nifty closed 26 out of 50 positive and 24 out of 50 negative. So among that, banks and FMCG are the leaders. So ICICI Bank, ITC, HDFC Bank, HUL, so more than 15 to 40 points up. Majorly ICICI Bank contributed about 45 points plus. And downside, no much momentum, ONGC, TechM and Infi, NTPC. So coming to Nifty Plus, so we specially designed for intraday traders as well as investors with a single glance about all the major indices. So Nifty, Banknifty, FinNifty, IET and Reliance. So Nifty has major dependency on Banknifty, IET as well as Reliance. So that's why for either investors or trader, they can easily understand what's the market price action and momentum with a single glance. So here if you observe, so Nifty was closed in the neutral zone, and Banknifty was closed in uptrend, and IET was closed in downside, and Reliance was in neutral. So out of three, one was showing upside, one was showing downside, one was showing in neutral. So that's why Nifty closed in a neutral zone. One good news is it was closed about 24,900 level. So as per weekly's data, so still it is showing in a neutral zone, but both intraday data as well as weekly's data, Banknifty is showing upward momentum, and IT is showing downward momentum, and Reliance is in upward momentum. So coming to longer term, so all four indices and three indices and Reliance is showing upward momentum. So Nifty, Banknifty, IET and Reliance. So here if you observe, 22 out of 22 observations succeeded, and none of the negative observations succeeded from Nifty for long term point of view. So here left hand side negative observations and right hand side positive observations. So we may increase more number of observations in the coming phases. So this week we are going to adding up another 3 more observations. So total 25 observations we are going to give for this week. And coming to Nifty 10, so this is specially designed for intraday traders and as well as long-term investors. So here out of 50 counters, we have taken the top 10 heavyweights: HDFC Bank, Reliance, ICICI Bank, Infosys, ITC, L&T, TCS, Bharti Airtel, Axis Bank and SBI. And how out of 10, how many are the advances and how many are the declines? That is what our intention to showcase to the subscribers. So 6 out of 10 are showcasing neutral zone. So and 4 are in upside. So we'll see what are the 4 upside: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ITC and Axis Bank. So out of 4, 3 are from banking sector and 1 is ITC. So the 3 major banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, closed in positive side. So coming to weekly's data, 7 out of 10 are neutral. So here, based on the advance and declines, we can easily understand the momentum of that particular index. So all 3 are indicating neutral zone from the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we observe top 10 counters, if you observe, 6 out of 10 are in upward momentum and 6 out of 10 are in neutral. and 6 out of 10 are in neutral from weekly and monthly. But today's momentum, if we observe, clearly it was indicated 6 out of 10 were up momentum and 3 out of 10 were in neutral zone and only 1 was in downward momentum. We will see what is that one. Only IDFC First Bank. And as per our weekly report, AU Bank also was started into upward momentum. Though many banks were down on Friday, we clearly, our application clearly showcased that AU Bank has some upward momentum. Even in our weekend magazine, our technical team clearly mentioned that there is some upward momentum started on AU Bank. So this is the best time to invest on AU Bank. So these are the major things based on all the major indices. Even IT is also having 10 major companies. So out of that, 6 are indicating downside. So that's why today clearly in intraday it was closed more than 0.7%. And mid cap select also, we have taken top 10 companies from the mid cap. So 7 out of 10 are showcasing downward momentum. So clearly today's mid cap is also showcasing that downward momentum. So NSE Plus is indicating that Nifty is in hold and Banknifty is in strong buy and IT is in strong sell. Nifty is in strong buy and Next 50 is in hold, mid cap Nifty is in strong sell. So these are all based on intraday data. We have like that, we have weekly, monthly and other time frames till yearly data. And as per heat maps, so today's best performers and least performers. So ONGC, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco are the weak performers. HUL, Shriram Finance, ICICI Bank, ITC, Britannia are the top performers. So HUL was up by more than 3%, around 3%. Shriram Finance was around 2.5% up. So some finance companies and banks, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank were closed in positive side. So these are the major important things for today's analysis. So whoever wants to join with us on the webinar, so we are planning to provide one webinar on this Wednesday, so 6:30 to 7:30. So our team will give some links how to join in that particular webinar in our description. So whoever wants our weekly or monthly magazines and video magazines and webinars, so please register with us through the email ID info@tradabulls.com. So that's all about today's analysis. We will meet on next day analysis. Thank you so much.